Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Affairs. So before we get into this week analysis about commodities, Forex measures and one more Bitcoin. So before that, this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for a financial investment. And I'm teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodity and how I'm trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliottian wave trader. So not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through the comments in my post about the Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day, so I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentimental. So I will trading and traded with 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. So I'm not asking any investments and not conducting any classes for teaching Elliott wave theory and not having any social media group like WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook Messenger. So only I'm doing as a free in YouTube only. So be cautious and be aware of the fraudsters. So these are all that watch list, regularly watch list for the weekly. So first we will get into the DXY. So I think I showed you my positional view. So right now we are in that XY is finished, and so that YY is also split into the WXY. So right now I'm expecting that X wave, whether it could break this low or without breaking this channel also. From here it can do one more low to this support of 96 to 95 like that, and then it will took off for that another YY in the intermediate wave for WX ABC to break this 103.82. So we will move into that 4-hour chart. In that 4-hour chart, so this is the end of the W. So we need to trade the X wave in a 3-way structure. So this came aggressively and in 5 ways. So this becomes, and I labeled as a here. So A, B, C is A. So we are in the B wave. So what I thought is B wave could be a B, C. After this becomes W and this becomes A. And one more option is it could travel above this high to make a simple A, B, C. So at that if we place that Fib retracement for this high to low, so whether the retracement could be a 78.6 or either it's a 61.8, it's a 101.2 or 102. So those are the level what I'm expecting. So there is a still chances for that to make, or else this could be an A also. So this B, C, D, E. So after this could be a bearish triangle for the in the B wave, and then C wave has to come to my zone to make a X wave. So this is W and this could be a X wave. And one more option is if it doesn't break this high, still there is a chances for the bigger triangle. So what I am expecting now here is whether this could be a B, C could be end of this 3-way structure also here, and one more 3-way structure to the downside to make a D to nearest C. This is the support zone at 98.99, and then for the shortest E wave it could be a 99.6 like that, and then it may fall. Or one more wave is one more alternative view is a very simple WX. So this could be a ABC W, another W X ABC. So that is also possible. And one more is a bigger triangle. So if still this could be a also, sorry, it could be intermediate wave A and the three-way structure B, and then this could be a C, and what it will do is another three-way structure to the D, and smallest E, then it will become a triangle, little bit bigger view. So this becomes B here. So the whole thing is A, B, C is here, D and E. So this is also a possible. So three alternative views is here. One is a regular flat and another one is a triangle. It's a bigger triangle, and this could be also a possible. It's a triangle also here. So three alternative views I'm looking for. So this is in my view in DXY, and this how I am expecting that the target for the DXY is. So according to this view only, I am trading AU, NU, EU, everything. So if it is a triangle from here itself, so triangle will end here, approximately the E wave. So A and the rejection of the B, and C could be a same 96. What I said, the 78.6, or it could be a little bit deeper to that this channel also. So that is a 95. So these three views is my alternative views, and I will trade according to this only for the EU, AU and NU. So we will move on to the Euro USD. So Euro USD is very, very interesting. What I thought is this could be a ABC A, ABC a B, and I'm looking for that C to the upper side to break this high, because this is an end of the Y wave. So this A, B, C has to break above this 1150, or it could travel above this also. Right now what I'm expecting is it has to break this high 1150. So again it can be rejected from here also. So that is my previous view, and what here it did is last week I have explained that this could be another 1, 2. So this could be an irregular flat, but if it didn't break this, again it could be a continuation of the bullish wave. So exactly it did, and this is a 5-way structure. So what I did is A, B, C could be a and B could be a deeper B, and then it could be a C also if it is an WXY. But here it did another 5-way structure, 1, 2, this is the 5-way structure 3, and this is the 3-way structure 4, and here is a one more 5-way structure is 5. So this is a leading diagonal. So this could be a or 1 also, because this could be a W or X. So A, B and C can travel above this 1150 right now. Or if it is a B means C could be a 5-way structure. So this could be a leading diagonal of in wave 1 and wave 2. So if it is in wave 2, so this is a stop loss. The 760 is a stop loss. It didn't overlap that below the A if it is a 1. But if it is a B, it could travel below this A as an irregular flat. So then what will happen is A, B and C could be a running flat, or either it could be an expanded flat to break this 1.099. So that could be a possible. So if it did break this low and then again it could bounce, means still we are in the correction, it's not get ready to the upper side. So that is a possible thing. So now what I did is we will see the intermediate waves here. If it is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a leading diagonal, either in A or wave 1. So this is a 3-way structure, this fall, what I said is this is a support zone. So either it could bounce from here itself, and this is a channel of the bullish channel. So either it could bounce from here. Exactly, it bounced. And what happened here is, again this made a 5-way structure here. But I need a 3-way structure only, but not this kind of aggressive fall. Once it happened, one of the follower in the Facebook page, he asked me. I told this is not looking like a 3-way structure. It's a very it's an impulsive wave to the downside. Even though if it is an intermediate wave 3 also, I need one more correction to the upper side, and then again it has to fall to break this low. So I explained clearly, and I am not in the buy side. Once it make an impulsive wave here and then again the impulsive wave to the downside, I thought it's a still we are in that correction only. So we get a lot of opportunity to trade. So once this has the 5-way is finished, what I did is I am looking for the 3-way structure. So 3-way structure also very little, and this could be an also a irregular flat here. So I waited for 2 finished here. So this becomes A, B, C is a zigzag here. So what I did is exactly at the end of here, I took a buy here, expecting the previous low at 8:30, and yesterday morning itself I booked the profit at here 860. I booked the profit because this could be a ABC, means this is an irregular flat. So this could be a here. I exited at 61.8, and within the rejection of 78.6, again it can go to the downside also. So again what I did is I exited here and look for that again to wave to complete it, because if it is a 3-way structure ABC, and this could be also ABC, so this ABC, so this ABC is finished here. This is an A, so this is an A, B, C is a zigzag, and I will change the color. Here this is an A, so the whole thing become B, and this could be a C. So this is an ABC, so the whole thing becomes an irregular flat in the B. So this A, B, and C is an exactly this is an in 15 minutes we got a 5-way structure here. So what I did is I entered here again at 8:20. I entered here. So and again it made a low. So that is an intermediate waves. So after that it shooted. So what I did is I entered here at 8:20, and I'm just holding that. Here it is. I'm looking for that to end of the 5-wave. The 5 minutes chart also, it says 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the end of that 5-way completed. Again it did a 3-way structure, and again 3-way structure. So I thought it's doing an irregular flat here for the B wave correction here, or it could be a second wave also in the 5-minute chart. So right now what I am expecting is the end of the W. So this could be an X, ABC X, A, B, again one more drop to retest again this zone, or whatever it is from here is a support zone. So it could again retest this support zone, and it will took off here from here to. So from here to here, the DXY, what I said is, I'll show you. DXY can go here, so Euro USD can come down, and once it dropped like this, we will get this impulsive wave to the upper side. So this is a 5-minute chart. I will just convert it into the 15 minutes. So either I am looking for, either this could be a B. So after the finishing of the 5-way structure, again if it is a triangle or whatever it is, something making a complex correction, first target is it has to break this. And if it is in 1, 2, either we need a 5-way structure to complete this. So at the end of the 5-way structure, we need to watch this one, how much it will shooting. If it get rejected from this zone, again if it is the 5-way structure is ended, we need to exit here, because if it could be a B, C-way structure can be a 5-way structure, or if it is in 1, 2, 3 is completed. If it is goes above the 3, see, because if it is a 1, the third way has to be above 1.618. So it has to get rejected above this only. So whether then we will come to know whether it is if it is ended the 5-way structure within this low high, so that will become a complex correction again. Otherwise, if it ended above this means if it is a 5-way structure, so that will be a 3, 4, 5. So again it will be a complex correction here also, or it will again shoot it to like this to break this 1150. So whether we have to watch this period, it's very interesting now. If it didn't break this 1150, we will get a complex. Otherwise, if it break above this and if it is in consolidation, so that is the 3rd way, 4th way and 5th way could end here. So once it ended, so this is an X wave. What I placed here is an X, and then you have to be aware, because we have to break the previous low of 1.063. that is my positional view count to break this low, and one more positional view is it has to break this low 1.0340. So if it is an end of X, again a sharp decline for the A and B and C. So that is my view in Euro USD. So let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD also, so what I'm expecting is the positional view. I will explain you again. So this is it's a W here. So ABC or W X. So ABC, it's a Y, end of the Y. So we are in that X. So whether it could be a triangle also in X, that is what I have explained here. Here X, it could be a triangle because there is a support trend line is there. So it won't broke this channel. I think so. It's a trend line. If it break means there is a lot of opportunity to break this low also, because it didn't break this high yet. So we will get a ABCA. So ABCB is over. Again we will get, we are getting in the rejection here. So again A, bigger B and C. If it is a triangle here, that could be an end of the X, and then again we need to trade that for that Z wave here. This is a Y. So again A, B, C and again A, B, C. So total here ABC is over, again ABC is over. So we are in that C wave. Either it could be a 3-way structure. So because W, X, A, B and C. So C, it has to break this 1.205. So then only that is valid for that regular flat, because it didn't break this high. Or it could be a triangle also, so bigger triangle. So anyway it has to reach this 1.33. so I'm in short also, you know very well about, because in different structure I have took a sell here at my average is 1.34 is my average. Still I'm holding and doing the intraday stuff like swing trades, sell and buy only, it's not buy and sell. So keeping this in the daily chart here in every three wave, and we are getting a excellent this thing I will explain here, and I will keep on updating in the TradingView on my Facebook page. So here it's a A, B, C or W. Here is an X. So A, B, C is the over. So one A, B, C's correction is ended as a W, and I'm not so satisfied to make this as a connecting wave here, because it's very it's looking like an impulsive. So what I did is, in the previous trade idea setup also I had told, if it is an X, A, B, C, anyway it has to come to the downside, and again we will get an impulsive wave to that upper side to 1.43. but here it's getting rejected, keep on rejected, and then again there is a lot of bullish action, price action here. Exactly in this portion I have explained that if this could be an X, it could be a one second, yeah, this could be an A, the whole thing becomes a B, and C could be a shallow also, and then if it is making a triangle also here, and then it could fall like this. Or if it broken this channel, this trend line, there is a chances for that equal distance channel here what I have placed, that same thing could happen here. So exactly it did that 786. Exactly I shorted here at 1.4 here, exactly shorted, and then I buy back here, and I have posted in that also in TradingView. Here it's exactly the 5-way structure here. Now what I'm expecting is this could be an A or 1, and the one simple correction is ended here. See, this looks like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it's looking like a 5-way structure also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is there, now it broken this low. So either if it is an A, B, C means here it's, if it is a A, so B, C is completed 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 5. This is a C wave. So either this could be a, once again, 1, 2, the whole thing is a C wave, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or and 4, again 5. So this could be a 5-way structure also, or 3-way structure. Is a little bit confusion here. Anyway, this is a bigger structure, is 5-way is completed here. So if it is a 5-way, so we are getting a 3-way structure here. So again what it will do is, either it could be an expanded flat or running flat. We will get one more downside is possible now, that is sure. So again what I did is, here I took a short at 1.410 here in this zone. Again it bounced back. I won't place a stop loss, that's what. Now we are getting, what I thought is, again here we will get a 3-way structure. It will do like this and then again come back, but it already broken. That's what I'm taking only the sell position only, not buy. because it's already one strong impulse to the downside in 5-way structure. So after the 3-way structure, it has to go to that again downward to the 1.3839 like this for the equal of this wavelength of A. So B, so this in this zone it has to get rejected. Or if it is in wave 1, because it's a X wave here ended here, as per my it's a running flat in bigger positional view. So this X wave and Y wave could be a ABC, again W X ABC, or it could be a 1 2 3 4 5, the 5-way structure as an A, and then B, and then again C also. So now there is a chances to make a low only. It's not, you can place this as a stop loss, because if it is an 1 means it can't go above this, the wave 1. Or if it is an A also, is already did an irregular flat, so it has a, it need to break only this, not this high. So we have to place the stop loss at in this zone. We can took a buy, sorry, a sell if it comes to this way, what I explained the previous, right? If it comes to now it is an irregular flat now, so there is a chances to make a running flat or expanded flat. So whenever it comes to near to that 1.4080 or 90, you can short, make the stop loss as this 1.418. So make it as stop loss this, and then we can write for that 1.39 as a target. So whether it could be an 1 2 3 and it continued to the 4 5, so that will become A. Or if it is a B C, it's a AB is equal to CD pattern, means another we have to place a W and X and again A B C. So this is my view in UCAD. So USD JPY. It's a very messy here. I've already bought at here, and then I have booked the profit at last time I told you 109. I have exited. So 2 intraday trades I have did. So a little bit swing trade, and I'm again for that 61.8 rejection in this zone. Again 108.4. That. 108.14 I bought here. It's a 3-way end of the 3-way structure. What I have planned is whether it could be shoot from here itself to travel above this support as a resistance zone 110.2, or this could be an here 786 AB is equal to CD pattern. So I expected this high to exit my position, but again it's declining here. So what I did is I didn't done anything, I didn't add also, because if I am placing, this is a little bit confusion here whether it is an irregular flat. I told and I have explained that this could be an 1 2 3 4 5 A, or this could be an 1 2, the whole thing is 3 4 and 5 is ended here. So if it is a B wave, this could be a B C has to come to the upper side, or either if it is an A B C, I am looking for that it has to come to the downside. So why I bought here itself, again I need to trade little bit for the intraday to come to this zone and I need to exit here because it's a strong impulsive wave. A, B, C is entered. So I am expecting this to trade, but it declined here itself. That's what I have posted, and then disclaimer also, don't trade that counter trade. If you trade this kind of counter trend trade, you will a little bit stuck with that. So that is what I have mentioned, because I won't place any stop loss, because if it comes here also 105.5, I am going to buy only. So that's what I didn't place any stop loss. If it comes here, I will book the profit. Otherwise, if it comes here also, I will book the profit. That is my trade plan. According to that only, I have bought here, but it didn't came what I expected. So again it's declined, but it didn't break this low. This low is 106.92 and this is 106.926. So yeah, right now it didn't break this low. Either if it is an A or B, C has to come to about this high and I will book the profit and exit, or if it is doing that irregular flat, I will exit at the break even. That is my plan, but it didn't break, and again it's consolidation here. So what I am trying to say is it could be another triangle. Nowadays it's not correlated with that gold. So here is A, B, C is over. So it's another making a triangle or whatever it is, A, B, C, D, E, and then again it will break to that this zone 104. If it is a triangle, there will be a breakout, will be aggressive. So this kind of impulsive wave from here 108.6 to 104, it could be a possible, because from 111 to 106.8, so nearly that 400 pips is there. So that 400 pips, 78.6 means this zone. If it is a triangle, see this 104.7 is a and there is a support zone also here, so it will get rejected. What I will do is I will again buy, so 104.6 and 108.4, so I will average that and I will exit at 107, because I will explain you in the bigger way why I need to exit. Means in the bigger view, it could be a triangle also, bearish triangle. I'll explain in that daily chart. So the strong to the downside, we are in that downtrend only. This is a strong impulsive way to the downside A, and either it could be A or W, and again three-way structure is a W or A. So from here to here it's an W or A, means this already came to this means it could be a B also or X. So generally if it is an A or B, C has to break this high, or if it is a W, it has to break that as a Y. So if it is a triangle, means in this could be a A, B. So this is a clearly, I have took it as an A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a leading diagonal. But if it is an A, B, C, A, B, C as an A, again B, C is a five-way structure. So this becomes a B, C, A, B, C, B. C is a five-way structure, means this is a three-way corrective structure. So that could be end of the C way also in that daily chart. So if it is an A, B, C, and we are in the D wave, so it could travel up to 104.7, what I said. After that, for that E wave, it will be a very small only. How we have traded in that crude, and I got stuck with that. It's a little bit in crude and silver. E is very small. So by that pressure of something is the stocks is declining and the stocks are falling, means JPY gets strength of the safe haven currency or funding currency. So that will become very aggressive in that stock fall, means JPY will get strength. So I'm not expecting that E wave. What it will do is it will come for the D wave to here. Once again I will delete this. So this becomes a C, this is B, or this could be in here itself, and E will be very small. So in this zone, at the average of 108.4, I have bought 108.14, and again if it comes to the here is 104, means 104 or 105. So I will average that, it's really 106.5. I will exit here. If it is a bearish triangle, it will fall from here itself. So there is a lot of chances. Why I am expecting this as a bearish triangle? Gold, it's now it is an irregular flat. So if it is doing the irregular flat, we come to know there is a one more high is there. Irregular flat in that high, it's not in the bottom. So if it is in bullish, it is doing an irregular flat, means we have one more upward wave is hidden. So whether it could be an here I took it as a W and X, A, B, C has to come to above this zone. But what had happened in gold is it's done irregular flat. So now I'm expecting this as a bearish triangle. So it could be a bullish triangle also, or it could make a if it is an A, B, C can go to this zone, and then that will become a triangle also. It's a bigger triangle. I will show you here. Here this is an A. So this whole thing's become B, and the C could be a small, and this could be an E, D, and E small, and again it could break this low also in the triangle. So this is my view as bearish. Or what it will do is, if A, B in the C wave, this could be an A, again B, C can travel up to this C. It got failure here because this could be a triangle also here. So this will become get rejected. This becomes C and D and again E, and then again it can fall also. So in this kind of wave formation, it will get rejected. Whether beyond the C wave is finished here, or it will, this is the A wave, in the C wave it will be doing like this 105.5, and then again it can travel to this 113 or 112. From here we will get rejected. So that will become A, B, C and D, E, or this could be an D here and E, then again fall. So I think it won't immediately, it will fall because it can go up to here, so 112, because the gold have to be consolidation, because as the irregular flat, it will took time, I think so, for the at least for the 2 to 3 months for the X wave, and it will move to the Z wave, the next impulsive wave. So in that wave, because if it comes to that, because I am not expecting now to the 1375, because it did already a irregular flat. So if it didn't break that 107.3 1703.6, there is a lot of chances to come to that 1375 zone. But if it already break that high of 1703.6, so there is a very rare chances to reach that 1375 level. Now I am expecting to that 1500 or 1550, like that only in the bigger picture. So in that case it will decline from here itself also. So let's see what happens. So next we will move on to the USD CHF. Same plan, there is no change in that USD CHF. Only the thing is, if it is an ABC is a W, so this is a X, ABC is already over, and it already broken this low also. So now what is my view is, it has to break this high. But according to that, now what I told in that USD JPY also, so there is a lot of chances now, because the gold had broke that the 1703.6. now this could be a, I will explain you. This is a simple ABC is W, so this is the connecting wave, and again ABC, and it already broken this low, so that is valid for break this high. So this is W, and once again, yeah, that is what I have written here. It broke the previous low and made a 0.182 here. So that is valid for AX, and again I am expecting ABC to the upper side. But right now that CHF and JPY is the safe haven currencies. So we may see here, after that making a little bit here the consolidation and it took off, means here I am expecting a connecting wave. Only what I took is this is a connecting wave. So for this ABC, this is a connecting wave. Again ABC is finished. But according to the fundamental pandemic, that corona, everything, so again the gold is going to the upper side, means little bit consolidation here, and gold will fall, means CHF USD will get strength up to this 101 level. What it will do is, here see, this is a so or W, what I took it as an X, and again is finished. So this is a simple, but what now I am expecting is, this could be an A, the intermediate wave B, what I am talking about, this become a B, so it did break this low, so it could be a running flat also. So in the intermediate, this is an A, so B, C, if it comes to that one level, this whole thing becomes an A, B, C as a running flat. This whole thing becomes a running flat, and there is a chances to break again this low. So the whole thing becomes now here A, B and C. After that it could took off. So this is my view. Either what I previous idea was, it can shoot, this is getting ready and it's already ready to break this high, but the fundamental uses, and because of the corona pandemic, this could be again, there is a fall in, I'm expecting a fall in stock market. So if it fall, means again this will get, CHF will get safe haven currency, and gold can go higher, and JPY is also same what I am looking. So everything is correlated. This could be a B and C. There is a lot of chances to break this low also. Don't expect more than this what I said in previous, and in that my previous analysis also I have explained that this is getting ready to go to the high. But see, one more option is, it can get rejected from here also, I have explained that also in various way. First you need to understand what I am trying to explain here. That's it. Whether it is going to happen here or it could be here also. So anything is valid. So 1, 2, 3 is finished means this whole thing is W, X and again ABC for the Y wave. So this is my view in USHF, and next we will move on to Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, AUD/USD. Same what I am expecting from the previous, exactly it got rejected and I need to explain more here. This is, I'll show it in 1 hour. So this is an ABC, so W, X, so A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed and I'm rejected, I'm expecting. So it's already did what we are in that B wave. So again one more low is possible here. So in this case what I'm expecting here is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar will lose the strength and it will be very slow compared to USD. That's what I'm thinking, because the wave formation is looking like that only. If it is a we are in the B wave structure and C has to fall down, and the New Zealand dollar also same. So then that will become what means USD according compared to that USD, AU and NU is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar is weakening than dollar. So in that case we will get one more downside is possible. Now this kind of wave formation has to happen here. After this becomes a W and X and one more ABC, because I am expecting one more declining for the DXY to the downside for 96 or 99, what I expect 96, what I have explained the previous in the DXY. So this channel will be a very crucial, and it can, I am expecting from here to here to decline and again it will shoot to this zone. So after this what it will be do is the 5-way corrective structure, what I said, 1, okay, 1, 2, so the whole thing becomes 3, 4 and ABC is a 5. So that whole thing becomes a 5-way corrective structure, and again if the DXY finished his correction, then that will shoot to break that 103.82. That time it will again break this low. So that is my view. I will explain you in the daily chart also. So right now what I am expecting here is a 5-way structure, 5-way corrective structure from the top. So this is a 1, 2, the whole thing becomes 3. So we are in that 4th wave. After the completion of the 4th wave and 5th wave has to break this low. It's already in the low, but still what I'm expecting is one more low to break this. But what if you know about that Elliott waves, if you are doing good in Elliott waves, you know how to manage, means you can be sell and buy also here in this zone. But I won't do below that 61.8, I won't short, because there is a chances, what I am saying is it's already in the lower levels, whether it is making a Z way to the downside or it can be bounced from here also. So that's what I am not going to sell in this zone, just clean watch. If I am not trading also, I will just keep watching and then I will buy from here. I will keep buying from the lower levels, or if it comes to that 61.8 zone, I will look for that wave formation, how it is coming, then I will take a buy or sell. Only in that time I will decide, not here. So right now what I am expecting is one more wave to the downside, and again it will took off to that 6.5 or 6.6 zone. That is my expectation. And the same thing in New Zealand dollar also. New Zealand dollar is clearly that is a more weakened than Australian dollar. So here we are getting the exactly the 5-way structure. Here 1, 2, 3 and that 4 is in irregular flat and 5th is completed. Now A, B, C is completed. What I am thinking now is again A, B, C, it will again took off to this zone, this support zone, sorry, resistance zone, and again that C way to the drop to this level. Again what it will do is the whole thing becomes a again W, so this X will come here and again A, B, C. So that's what I am expecting. Or if it didn't break this high also, it can make a triangle here also. If it comes deeper what we expected, and then it won't break this high, so A, B, C, A, B, C, B, so it will be a consolidation here itself and then it will fall to the downside. So this is, we are in that 4th way also in the 5-way corrective structure. I will explain here. So if it is a B, C, we have to, if it is a completion of the A, B, C, we have to bounce from here to make another 3-way structure, not the below. So if it is declining with the help of this channel trend line, this is forming the wedge pattern. Now I am expecting this the 1, 2, so this whole thing is a 3 and we are getting rejected. See exactly the trend line also here and we are getting retested there. This is a weekly chart and this is a weekly trend line. So we already broken that and now we are in the retesting that. So I think it won't be break. If it is break also, again it will fall. That is my view. Or it could make a triangle within this and then again it will break to the lower side to make a new low around the 4.5 or 4.3 I am expecting. Sorry, 5.4 or 5.3. So this is my view. And next we will move on to GBP USD. So GBP USD also same positional view. W, X. So again it's a Y is finished now. It's a 3-way structure, and again we are in that X wave. So like that Euro USD, what I said. So we will move, and one more wave is there for the lower level. At the time the DXY will shoot above that 103.82 and we will move on to that. And last week what I expected is there is a complete A, B, C is a or W. So again A, B and C is exactly did. So what I did is W, X. Again A, B, C has to travel to this zone. So that is my idea. So same thing, what had happened is what I think is it could be an irregular flat also, or it's a regular flat. Means if it is a complex correction, it has a chances to make low decline here and then it can shoot from here. That's what I have explained here. Support zone of 1.2 here and then again shoot. But the dollar is more weakened. So what here is at the end of the X here, and there is a 5-way structure now. So I will delete all those things. See, I am expecting from here to here means don't sell because this is in bullish. That's what I am telling you, and I have informed lot of times. Don't trade the counter trend according to that bigger picture. So here the positional bigger picture is falling, but that in the shorter time frame in the 4-hour it is in buy. So what you have to do is only that A, B, C is over, and again we are in that above this W. So again, if it comes what we expected, if it comes here you can buy, but expecting this as a target, don't sell here. So now A is finished here, or either it could be a 1 and I am looking for that B or 2. Now it has a chances to break this B. If it is a B wave, it has a chances to break this low and then again it will took off. It will took all the stop loss here, and then again it will took off for the C wave. Or if it is an A, B means it's A, B, C, A, and again B. C is a 5-way structure, so 1, 2. So if it is a 2, it won't go below this. So if it is a 2 here, coming to this, in this zone, and again for the third or C wave to go above this 1.33. Yeah. But there is a this one is a channel, so I think it would get rejected in this zone or little bit in this zone. So A, B and C, or the 3 waves will, the wave 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5 is the ended here itself. So don't expect the C wave, the third wave will be a 1.618. Don't expect in the C wave as a 1.618 because this is the intermediate waves, so it won't be like that. If it is a regular third wave, that will be an at extension of 1.618. But in the C wave, don't expect that 6.18. It could be a diagonal also, or it could be a wedge formation. So be aware of this if it comes to this zone. It is already getting rejected here a lot of times. So be aware of that. And I'm expecting to the downside. Once again, I will show you that weekly. Yeah, this is a trend line. We can change to here also. Yeah, that is also valid. So after that finishing, that Euro USD also will go above that 1.15 or 1.4, I think. Yeah, yeah, 1.4 zone, near to that, here or here, whatever it is. So again, what we will see, yes, we finished everything, UCAD, UJ, UHF. So let's move on to Bitcoin. In this, what I expected is in the last week we are in that channel only here. So whether this is ABCA, ABCB and ABCC is a W. So this is an X is finished here. Because it already broken this high. So 96929, here is high 6968. So that is what here after this ABCA, so ABCB. So C is in a 5-way structure. I took it as an irregular flat of X running flat. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a A, and we are in that B wave. Still we are in the B wave. So in that B wave also, switch to the 1 hour. Exactly, it's a B, C, A, B and C is over. So this is a 3-way structure, A, B, C, again A, B, C. After that it's a strong fall. So this ABC becomes W, X. So A and B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is a 5-way structure. So after that, this B becomes here. So whether if it is a A, this is a B. So we are in that C wave. So C wave, in that we have finished the wave 1 and looking for the 2. Again it could be a third wave also. Third, yeah, from here if it is break this high, I will make it as a stop loss here. I have in the past year I have did that Bitcoin. After that I'm just keep on watching, and now it's looking like a C wave. So it can shoot from here to that 9 zone, what I'm expecting. So nearly 2000 points is there here. So that's what I'm try to trade this one. Or if it is a W, this could be an X. So this becomes a ABC. So BC means this is a Y. So again this is a three-way structure X. So this could be a B, C. So it can end it here itself. So don't expect this much what I told the previous. So we have to watch this channel is breaking or not, because the previous here is a lot of resistance zone here. So if it is an W, again we will get X, A, B, C. So if it is a B, C, we can trade like this, or this could be an, see I took it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But either it could be a B, C, or it could be, if it is a W, A, X. So here it's a B, C, A is over, B and C means this could be a X, again X, it's a Y, again three-way structure X. So A beyond the B, it could be a triangle, and then C means if it comes to the downside only, I will decide. If it shoot from here itself means that will be a B, C. So right now what I'm expecting here is it's a little bit down. Either it could be a third wave or C wave. So up to this 9878 is possible here, up to this zone. Once we have to watch this zone. If it is breaking, then we have to get into the entirely in the mid part with the stop loss of, you have to decide here, because if it is in 1, 2 means if it comes here, we have to place the stop loss here. But we already took a, if it comes here, we already took we will book the profit here. Then we have to watch to break this channel, and then only we have to enter and making a stop loss of the second or intermediate wave, whatever it is. If it is a 5-way structure, if it comes here, there will be a 1, 2, 3 like that. It will be intermediate wave will formation there. So we have to watch there, and then we have to place a stop loss, and we have to enter in the mid part of this rally. So this is my view. Whether it could be an W, so X, it could be again retested, or it could be a straight away to for the C wave to make it 9.4 or 9.5, whatever it is. What I have already gave the positional target. So 9.2 is the approximate to the trend line resistance here. So 9.2 or 9.4. So here we have to see, this is right now, this looks like a correction only, this part. But in the intermediate wave, we can be in buy side, but with a stop loss of either this one or this one if it comes here. So whether if it is a deeper correction also it possible, then again ABC. So this is my view in Bitcoin. Now we will move on to the gold. So that's what I explained here, and lot of trade setups I have already posted. If it is a 3-way structure or 5-way structure, exactly what I said, we can label it as an ABC, as W, X, A, B, C also, or this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So either way, if it is a it's a W. So there is a chances of to break this, and it can travel up to 1772 also, 74 for the irregular flat of 1.272. I explained from the last week itself. but I have already shorted. I told you at 1689, and then again what it did is again it broke. So what I did here is at the end of the day I shorted at 1735. Here itself I shorted, and immediately I booked from here itself for the intraday, because it's there is no lot of confusing waves here. So lot of three words. What I did is again it can come, but it came, but I didn't short there because the crude was declining lot of things. So I need to concentrate more in crude than the gold, because I'm having the positions in and at the average of 32 is my average in crude, but I started at 48. So now I'm having that 10 lots at the average of 32. So keep on declining. I have already took a buy at 22, and again yesterday I bought at 18.15. So again I placed already at 10.2, 12.2 and 15.2. All everything is on one lot. So totally I am expecting that 15 lots. So we have to move. Because I am keeping it for the long positional. So I don't want to worry about those things. Is all according to the fundamental, according to my money management. So I am doing that. So it's again, if it comes to the 30, what I will do is I don't hold everything. What I did at the 17 or 18, whatever it is, if it comes to the 12 also, I already placed, because in lot of times in the Monday it is a gap down and gap up is lot of there. So it will give the spike to that liquidated all the positions and took all the stops, and again it will bounce back. So that's what I have yesterday itself. I already placed that everything, so 10.2, 12.2, 15.2, and I have already bought at 18.15. So let's see how it make. So that thing I have concentrated in that. I didn't take this trade, but this only it's a very good trade, because if it is again I will short it at the 1735. There is at least we will get around 40, at least $30 also here. So no worries, because I am expecting lot of corrections here. It won't immediately, it won't go. If it goes also, it won't go again 1774, I think so. And here is one more correction. It's confused, means whether if it is a B, C, A, B, C, B. So C means it is a W. So if it is a W, this is an X. So if it is an X, it's look like a three-way structure here. It's look like a three-way structure. So if it is a three-way structure, if it is a W, X means A, B, C is over. So that's what I have written. It's a W also. Sorry, Y also. Again, what we are doing is this thing, three-way structure. So again, it can go above the three-way structure to high also for the Z wave, or either if it is an A, if it is a B, C, A, B, C means the whole thing started from here itself. So if it is a W, X, A, B, C, it looks like a five-way structure also. If we force that, I am not forcing, but what I am explaining here is for our eyes, it's looking like a three-way structure. So whether it could be end of the three-way structure means it has to fall from here itself. Or what I said is, if it is a W, X, A, B, C, Y, so again A, B, C, and again A, B, C continue to the Z also. And here, if it is an W, X, A, B, C need to be a five-way structure. So now here we are in the three-way structure only. But it's look like a three-way structure, but we can label it as a five-way structure also. How means? See, this is an one second. Yeah. See, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. So again wave 1, wave 2. So the whole thing 3, 4, and the whole thing is 5. Here is the fifth way is an extended. So this becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth way is also a 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can label it as that kind of also. So clearly what for our eyes it's looking like a 3-way structure, but it can be labeled as a 5-way structure also. So in that scenario also, if it is a W, X, A, B, C, so it's finished here. So we are looking for the downside if it didn't break this high again. So if it is break this high again, there is a one more 3-way structure, and then again it can go to the higher. As per our fib retracement, from here to here as a irregular flat is 1.27, 2 is around 1774 or 1770. So it has to get rejected from this zone, and the target, next target is from here to here, and the rejection 1774. For 786 zone is 1580, and that one is 1520. So I will exit that position. If it goes here, I will exit my position at 1580 in that itself. Okay, I won't wait for that to make a 1. Or either if it is the end of this correction, means I will look for that correction here. So again that same 1550 is there. So if we look in that left, the forward chart, (1550) is the major support zone. So that is also a 786. So I am looking to, if it didn't make a high, that will be in 3-way structure or a C, like this kind of wave I am expecting here. So currently now it's not looking like a C-way structure because it's already done a 1, 2, 3 A. So again A, B, C, B, C has to be declined in the 5-way structure. Again it will make a W, X, A, B, C. So like that it will be keep on lot of trading will be there, lot of entries, but took only that sell and buy. Don't buy until that 1550 or 1580 levels. So after that I will inform you, or if you have an idea you can go for the buy, because if it is an Y wave, means as per my positional trade view, and we are on the X wave, after the completion of the X it will go for the higher. So nearly I am expecting that 1825 in the weekly chart. See, nearly I am expecting that 1800, or it could be 1845, or if it is something new, means again it can break above this 1925 also to make a irregular flat, and then again it will be shoot off. So that is a weekly chart analyzing, so that we will see later, because this could be a 4th wave also. I have show you that in that another gold, this thing is here. Here is a one spike, so that could be a 1, 2. So we are in that 4th wave. So if it is break the above 1925 1945 like also, so that will become a ABC B, and then C will be a fall, but it won't break this low in that time. So 1 2 3 and 4 is an irregular flap, or it could be a triangle also, fourth wave, bigger triangle, and then it will shoot off. So that we will see later. So we will move on to the silver. Silver, I need to show you how I am changing the label. In previous, I took all those things as a A. So ABC1, ABC2, ABCW, X, ABC, and again took it as a diagonal. I took like that only, but it could be a W also, because if it is an ABC A, ABC B, and C means W, X, the whole thing becomes A, B, C. So now I am changing this view as a W. So if it is in W, so this portion becomes a X. So the whole 5 wave here, it's a confusion. So I took it as a diagonal wave formation. So ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, ABC4 is a triangle, and then ABC is 5 is over. So whether it could be a X also, now sorry, Y. And again what I am expecting here is what I told, that gold can again, it will bounce, and then again it will decline to this zone. So what it will do is, again this X will become here, again A, B, C to that 16,500 zone. So the whole thing becomes A, B and C. So each and everything has a gotten 3 wave structure. Or if it is in W, X means this whole thing becomes a Y or A, because as per this A 1 2 3 4 5, we can make it as an A also, and then again B, C can be a 5 structure like this. So anyway, I'm expecting a downside. I have took a buy here at a 15,100 to book the profit here 15,600, and then I won't sell, I will just look for that buy. Again I will buy here for the target of 16, or if it goes from here itself to the downside means that is also a possible, because one simple correction is over, A, B, C is over. So what I'm thinking, my positional view is it has to break this low again, because I took it as a triangle here, XY is ended here, so A is already over, so B is a end of this. B could be a simple correction also, so again it could be a downward at that ending way diagonal. So that could be, and again the 3 way structure could be continue like this, and we will get the fall from here itself. So that is also possible, but I won't sell this pair, I will keep buying if it comes to the downside. So that I will inform you later. So currently this week I am looking for this wave to the downside, and then I will buy here. I already took a buy. If it comes here only, I will book the profit and I will exit. I don't wait for here 16,500. I don't wait for this, because I am expecting little bit downwards to here also. So if it, as per it came to my analyzing this one like my wave, I will book profit here, and then I will buy. But here, from here itself it's keep on buying means I won't add here. I already took the buy at 15,100, so I won't buy immediately at that 14, because there is a lot of chances it will grinding like this and then it will keep on coming to the downside. How that AU came to the downside, like that it has a chances in the diagonal way also. Here means why I place it as I means it's for only for that to understand easily. But this could be a C. If it is an X is ended here, A, B, C can be a W, A, B, C, A, B, C, B and C. So this could be a W also again. So if it is a W, this could be an X also. So X means Y can be a diagonal and it will graining low within the channel. So that's what I won't buy immediately here. If it comes to here, I will book the profit. Otherwise, I won't add here. Here I won't add, because lot of chances to come to like this. But according to the wave formation only, I will keep trading. I'm just explaining what I'm thinking. It's not happening here. So finally, we will move on to the crude. US oil. Exactly what I expected. From this point only, I'm satisfied. Exactly, it came down in the 5-way structure. Immediately it bounced. So I'm thinking, okay, it will bounce from here itself. But it's raining lower and lower. If it took this low, then immediately I have posted that this could be an 4th wave also, end of the 4th wave, because the start of 5th wave could be end of the C wave also. As per the Elliott, you know very well about that. Here it is an irregular flat. So look the left side. There is a lot of possibilities. It's A, B, C, A. So A, B, C is a B. So A whole thing is B and the 5-way structure is a C. Or if it is a W, X, A, B, C is a 5-way structure. So you have to be awareness while the end of that 5th wave, the 5-way structure is, it's not a starting. It could be end of the 4th wave or end of that C wave also, the 5-way structure. Once it broke this low, immediately I posted that it could be a diagonal wave. If it is a 4th wave, 5th could be a diagonal wave also. So that's what it's happening here. Again, I didn't buy here itself, because I know if it is a diagonal, it has to break this 1925, the previous low. After that wave formation, in the 15 minutes, 5 minutes I took, exactly it suddenly it fall. So what I thought, it could be a, because if it isn't a diagonal, so what I thought is if at the end of the 3rd wave, so 4th wave is a triangle. So there is a chances of triangle, or if it could be an irregular flat also. Here also. Sorry, it's not a regular flat. So if it is a 4 is completed here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a chances of A, and or if it is an A, B, C, D, E. So this could be a B is a triangle, C is a chances. To make a high from here itself, it can shoot. That's what I need to give an entry. 18.15 I bought, and then I look for that wave formation. It's not looking like a 5-way structure. Again it came down. So after this also, I'm not satisfied. This is not the end of the 5th wave. If we look into that 5-way structure, the 5 minutes, this wave is not looking like a 5-way structure. It's a B, C, A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again we are in that correction structure only. So what I am expected is this, if it is a triangle, 4th wave is ended here. So this is an A. So this whole thing is now is a triangle, A, B, C, D and E. It's already broken this high. So in this Monday morning, so whole thing becomes A. So B, again this kind of drop. I will show you that. this kind of drop has to happen at 1708. I have already placed that 17.2 one order is there, and 15.2, 12.2 and 10.2. So I placed at 17.2. So if it is a drop, there is a lot of chances for end of this wave. Correction, is the diagonal wave, or again and again I am telling you it's or alternative, means the lot of chances is there, because the whole thing becomes, what I took it as a B, C is a 3 means sometimes what it will be here is extended of the third wave. This is could be end of the third, and this could be a fourth wave again, because if it is an A is ended here, B, C means sometimes that becomes a W, X, A, B, C. So that how that Australian dollar and I show you that AUD, USD. So like that, this whole thing becomes a third wave, end of the third wave, and again it will make a fourth wave, consolidation here, and again there is a lot of chances to make a one more wave to the low. So that's what I have already placed a lot of orders in that two waves, $2. So there is a, if it broke this channel like aggressively, there is a lot of chances to make a bullish. Or sometimes what it will happen here is, it will be end of the third wave means fourth wave also come like aggressively as a and again B, here again C, or it could be a triangle, then it can fall. So if it fall means again here that 15, that is my target. So lot of wave formation has to happen, lot of price action has to happen. So, and that nowadays that USD CAD is also not correlating with this, because that kind of aggressive fall came to the lower side. It didn't went high also out. This didn't make a bounce also here. So lot of selling pressure it's going on. So beware of this. Don't make this as a end of this thing, and if it broke this channel, be awareness this is a wedge formation, and at the wave 1 end, wave 2, so at the end of the wave 3, whether we didn't know whether this is a third and this is a fourth. So if it is A, B, C means for all Elliott wave traders, and the rules is also there, the third wave end is also look like a wave finish, it the end of the trend, it will be look like that only. But there will be, and again fourth wave will come, and then again it will took the stop loss of the third wave low and then make a new low, and again it can bounce. So that is a lot of there, and we have to be in daily. If it comes to the end of the third wave, that RSI, we will get a divergence. The end of the third wave means here it will go like this, and if it makes a new low of fifth wave, it will be third wave. So fourth wave it will go like this, and that fifth wave means it won't be make a new low. We will get a divergence here like this. So we will get the third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. If it comes to the lower means fifth wave at the $15, we will get the divergence here, and then it will be a bullish. So from here itself it can be bullish. Either it could be a B wave also, and again it may be one more down is also possible, but I'm not looking like that. After the completion of the $15, it will shoot for that again 250 or normal the crude range. So I think you enjoyed my analyzing. I already covered everything. We will check once again. DXY, Euro USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, JPY, CHF, Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude. Okay, that's it. And trade safe and enjoy my analyzing and take it as a reference. Don't trade as per my view. This is an learning and just I'm teaching how to analyzing the market as per Elliott waves. So trade safe and we will see the next week. Thanks a lot for watching my channel and have a nice day.